walk through the valley of the shadow of you. I feel my heart wallowing in the news. What you did is done, you made it do what it do. You said I was the one, but really you needed to. Once you wanted to choose, I was already numb. Call me Ari Blues, I was done feeling dumb. I picked up on the clues, they were under the sun.
Okay, so once inside of Filmora, simply go to the titles tab, into the titles section, and now take this default title and put it on the timeline. Now double click on the title and then write your own text here. Also change the font if you want to, and the font size too if you want to. It's your choice. Okay, now go to the advanced settings of the title. Now go here in the animation section and scroll down till you see this up down second animation here. Now double click on the animation to apply it on the text. And now our text will bounce up and then goes back into the abyss. Now click OK to exit the text editor window. Okay, now let's expand the timeline a bit. And now simply go to the effects tab, into the filter section, and now inside the shake tab, and take this middle shake and put it above the text. Now this will add a slight shake into the text, kind of like our text is bouncing and waving at the same time. Okay, now as you can see that our text effect duration is long and slow. So to make it fast and snappy, simply trim the title a bit. I am trimming it down to 2 seconds here. You can go for any length that you want to, it's your choice. Now right click on the text and click on copy. And now paste the text after and after, as much as you want. And now write your own text into the new titles too. Also remember to keep the mild shake filter to about the same length as the last title. Okay, now we have created this kind of bouncing text effect. Now it looks kind of cool and jumpy. Okay, now to apply this bouncing text on a video, simply select all the elements here and then put them one track above. And now put your video below them. Now you can see our bouncing text on a video. And also the second way is that you can export the text without the video and now re-import it back as a video. And now take the bouncing text video and put it above the main video and change the bouncing text video compositing to blend it with the video. And now guys, our bouncing text is done. So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos just like this for you. Till then, see you later.